Okay, so today's question is the two sneaky numbers of Digitville. In the town of Digitville, there was a list of numbers called nums containing integers from 0 to n minus 1. Each number was supposed to appear exactly once in the list. However, two mischievous numbers sneak in an additional time, making the list longer than usual. As a town detective, your task is to find these two sneaky numbers and return an array of size 2 containing the two numbers so peace can return into this digit village. Okay. So basically we have given a nums. Okay. And in nums, okay, in this num, every number, each element of this nums was supposed to appear exactly once in the array nums. Okay. And you can see there are only numbers from 0 to n minus 1 in this array, right? But two mischievous numbers sneak in this nums array additional time. Basically, two numbers in this array having frequency more than one, basically having frequency 2. Okay. See, for example, this nums was supposed to have just 0 and 1. Okay. But, but this 0 and 1's number again come to this array, basically sneaked into this array, and there are totally 2 0 and 2 1, and that's why our answer is 0 and 1. Similarly, in this question, okay, this in this there was supposed to the numbers just 0 1 2 and 3, but this 3 and 2 sneaked in this array again. Okay, understood? So basically we have to return the duplicate. Okay, so very simple. Okay, we can take the use of map. Okay, hash basically. So we will use map. Simply we will store frequency of all the elements in this array, and simply we will return those elements. First of all, we will store those elements in the vector whose frequency will be 2. Okay. So first of all, just make an order map. Okay. Now traverse in this array. Int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus, and simply m of nums of I plus plus. Okay, so simply I'm storing all the elements in the map. Okay, and from this, okay, by this we will store the number as well as its frequency. Okay, now we'll make a vector, and okay, we, and simply we'll traverse into this map, and we'll write if, what is happening here. Okay, if this p dot, if p dot second, right, the p dot second means the frequency of a number is equals to 2, then we will, what we'll do, we'll push back the number. Okay, yeah, to push back the number means p dot first. Okay, right, and then we'll simply what do, we will return the vector, right? Okay, simple, very simple question. Okay, so you can see, yeah, accepted, right? Understood? So this was the question. Okay, let's see if there can be anything else. Okay, okay, we can also take the use of math also. Okay, so if I, yeah, we can take the help of map. And how we can take the help? See, simply there are, okay, I'm giving you an, you can say, a challenge or an assignment for you. Okay, help use, take the use of math. Okay, and using math means don't use any extra space. Okay, okay, and let me give a hint. Okay, the hint is to find sum, to find the sum. Okay, with this formula n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the hint for you to this question by the second method, which in which you will be using maths. Okay, So yeah, thank you for now.